Children, our body has many parts which perform different activities for us, like hands, legs, head, eyes, ears, etc. Similarly, a computer also has parts that help it to perform different functions. Parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts: monitor, central processing unit CPU, keyboard, mouse. All these parts of a computer are connected together by wires or cables to make them work as a complete system. The computer system works on electricity. Any single part of a computer cannot work alone. Monitor. The monitor looks like a TV. It is an output device. Whatever we type through the keyboard appears on the monitor. It displays the words typed with the keyboard on its screen. We can see drawings and cartoons on the monitor. We can also do calculations and see the results on the monitor. It is also called VDU or Visual Display Unit. A colored monitor displays text and pictures in many colors. Other output devices are speakers, printers, projectors, etc. Central Processing Unit or CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is a group of units within a cabinet. CPU is the most important part of a computer. It is called the brain of a computer. It controls all parts of a computer. A CPU is tower-shaped. It receives data from the keyboard, processes it, and sends the output to the monitor. A CPU has its own memory to store the information. A hard disk drive stores information permanently. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. It looks like a typewriter. It allows you to talk to the computer. It is used to enter information into the computer. It has many buttons on it, called keys. There are mostly 104 keys on a standard keyboard. There are many types of keys on the keyboard. Some keys have numbers on them. These are called number keys. Some keys have alphabet written on them. These are called alphabet keys. There are some special keys like Enter key, Delete key, cursor control keys, or arrow keys, etc. Other input devices are mouse, scanner, microphone, etc. Mouse. Mouse is also an input device. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. A wire or cable connects it to the CPU that looks like a tail. As we move the mouse, an arrow which is called a mouse pointer appears on the screen. A mouse helps us to move the cursor on the screen and point or select any object. It helps in drawing pictures. It also helps in moving within the text. Mouse is a point-and-click device. It can be handled better when kept on a mousepad. Printer. It helps you to print the work done on the computer. For example, letters, pictures, or drawings. It is an output device. The printout is called the output, and we also call it hard copy. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to the music and the sound played on the computer. It is also an output device. We get sound as output. Hard disk drive. Hard disk resides inside the CPU cabinet. It is used to store programs and our work. We save our work as a file on the hard disk. It saves our work permanently. It is also called memory of the computer. CD or DVD drive. Our work can be stored on a CD, that is compact disc, or DVD, digital versatile disc. A CD or DVD drive helps us to read data from the disk. A CD or DVD writer helps to write data on a CD or a DVD. Pen drive. Also called USB flash drive. It is a very small device that can be connected to the computer to store or read data. Scanner. A scanner helps us to take image input. It is like a photocopy machine. We can store an important document by storing its image as a file in the computer. Pen tablet, also called graphic tablet, it enables the user to hand draw images, animations, and graphics with a special pen called stylus. Microphone. It helps in taking audio input. We can store our voice through a microphone in the computer. Some modern computers also work on voice commands. Now you know about my body parts. Very soon I will be back and we will talk more.